It's been a super boring year for most of us being stuck at home. But there's something to look forward to finally with the festive season that's upon us. No points for guessing, my favorite part is being able to eat as many desserts as I want without having to feel guilty. Which is why I'm super excited to share Festive Baking with Shivesh, a new series for my YouTube channel where I'll be sharing some special treats for you to bake and enjoy the festive season. This is episode number 1 and we are making a Mishti Doi cheesecake. It's a cheat cheesecake that we'll be making without cream cheese and without eggs and give it a super fun desi twist. Let's get started. Let's start by making the base of the cheesecake. In a large bowl, I'm adding crushed biscuits. I'm using digestive biscuits. You could use any biscuits of your choice. Melted butter and 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, which is optional. Using my wooden spoon, I'm going to give everything a good mix to ensure that all the biscuit crumbs are nicely and evenly coated with the butter. Alright, so this looks good. I'll now transfer my biscuit and butter mixture into a 6-inch springform pan, which would basically make it super easy for me to demold the cheesecake once it's done. Alright, so all of this goes in, and now using a glass, I'll firmly press this into an even layer. Alright, so the biscuit base is ready. Now this goes into the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes and meanwhile we can start working on the cheesecake filling. To make the cheesecake filling, the first thing that we need to do is to make a slurry out of 2 tablespoons of corn flour and half a cup of cream. I'm using heavy cream here, you could also use fresh cream, and once it's nicely combined and super smooth, I'll set this aside. Since we are not using any cream cheese for this cheesecake, the magic ingredient is hung curd, which is also the doi of Mishti Doi. What I've done here is I've taken homemade dahi and I hung it overnight to get rid of all the extra water. So what you get here is a super thick, creamy, almost cream cheese-like consistency yogurt. Now I am going to add cardamom powder, saffron infused milk and give this a good mix. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to add in condensed milk, which will also add a lot of sweetness to our Mishti Doi cheesecake. As a general rule, whenever you're making a cheesecake filling, the idea is to just mix to combine everything together and not incorporate a lot of air into the filling, which would later cause the cheesecake to crack in the oven. I'm going to give this a final mix until it's nice and smooth and looks something like this. Alright, so the Mishti Doi filling is ready. My crust has also chilled completely. I'll now preheat my oven to 170 degrees Celsius and pour the filling over the biscuit crust. I'll now line the sides of my baking pan with parchment paper. Okay, so the parchment paper is in place. I'll now pour the filling over the biscuit crust. One thing that I always keep in mind while baking cheesecakes is to bake them in a water bath. So I'm going to place the cheesecake pan into a larger baking pan and fill it with about 1 inch of hot water. I'll bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. Alright, so my cheesecake is out of the oven. It's got a beautiful light golden color on top and a nice jiggle to it. I'll set this in the fridge overnight or at least for 4 hours until it firms up and sets completely. So my cheesecake has set completely and beautifully. It's time to demold it now. I'm going to unlock my springform pan and push the cheesecake out. Now to get the cheesecake dressed for the occasion, I am going to pipe some whipped cream on top. And now for the final touch, some chopped pistachios on top. Super creamy, and I love the hint of cardamom. So good. To everyone celebrating, I hope you have a beautiful Durga Puja. I am super glad that I kicked off the festive season with this Mishti Doi cheesecake, which is sure to make your festive season even sweeter. So try this recipe out and share it with your friends and family. There are lots of festive treats and recipes waiting for you in the coming weeks. So stay glued and I'll see you guys next week.